Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you unboxing of DJI Mini 2 drone and setting up the drone with one of the best memory card for the drone with 4K resolution support. So let's now talk about the memory card. So this is the Sandisk memory card. So for the drone, you should buy Sandisk Extreme 2A2 with 128 GB and the speed of 160 MB of reading and 90 MB of writing. So now let's unbox the drone. Now I'm taking the DJI Mini 2 out. So you can see the DJI Mini 2 now. This is the 4K camera. These are the sensors. This is the memory card insertion, charging insertions, and this is the propellers. This is the propeller one, and there's one more propellers here. So let's keep it away. Now I'm going to take the things inside the box. These are the things. Let's take it one by one. This is the manual, and this is the charging cable. You can see this is the charging cable, and this is the data. Look, I'm telling you, this is the data which can be transformed to computer, to drone to computer, and this is drone to mobile. And this is the fixing part. So if your drone the propellers get broken, you can see this is the replacement of A and replacement of B. Then we have the remote's extra piece which I'm going to tell you afterwards. Then we got a screwdriver small. Now let's take out the remote. So this is the big remote. I'm taking it out. So you can see this is the remote. And you can see these things, which is the replacements if it gets lost. And this has the new of them. And this is on button, sport button, kind button, normal button, and these are propellers, and there's a photo icon, and here also, and a scrollers. So guys, now I'm going to open the drone. I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to open the propellers and all the stickers and the camera. Let's open it. Now guys, now I have opened the stickers. Now let's open the camera protector and the propellers. So you can see the camera protector. There's a thing like this, so you just press it and you just open it like this. So this is the 4K camera. You can see it can bend it like this and all. Now let's open the propellers. So the propellers you see here should be opened like this and like this. And the down propellers, below propellers, it should open like this and like this. So you can see the drone now here, which I'm going to show you like this also. Now I have opened the drone. Now let's open the memory card, which is suitable for the drone. So this is the memory card, actual memory card, and this is the adapter. So you have to, for taking data, you have to put the memory card in the adapter and put it in devices like computer or laptop, etc. So this is the adapter and this is the memory card. So we are not going to use the adapter now. So let's insert the memory card into the drone. So there are two portals. So one is for charging and one is for insertion of memory card. So let's insert in the thin one the memory card should be inserted in the thin one. So for insertion you can see the golden one here. So the golden one should be going inside like this. And you just need to press it like this. Just need to press it like this, so it is inside. So for taking it out, you just need to press it again. Now I'm going to show you how to charge it. So now you can see the charging portal is this. So now I'm going to show you the battery of the DJI Mini 2. So you just need to remove this, and you can see this thing. You just need to press it and take it out. I'm going to show you. Press this and take it out. It is very easy. So after taking it out, this is the battery. You don't need to charge it like this. You just need to insert it like this and charge it with cable of. They didn't give any separate charger, so you just take a mobile phone charger and a cable. You just need to connect it, and the other one here. Now there are three things left. One is the remote, one is the mobile, and one is the DJI Fly app. So this is the remote. I'm going to tell you how to set it. So you can see these small joysticks, which I'm going to take it out and put it here. So you just curve it and put it like this. Then take the other one and put it here and curve it. And this is the mobile holder, which you can take it out like this. And this is a C-type connector. You can use any converter for Android mobile phones, this is only capable for iPad and iPhone. Now I'm going to show you the DJI Fly app screen recording. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the drone using the DJI Fly app. So now you have to take the App Store, go on search and type DJI. You can just search DJI Fly. So then you can see there's DJI Fly app here, and click on open. So you have to install it and click on open. So you have to do the location and all the login IDs. Then you have to click on connect aircraft. I got Mini 2, so you can click on DJI Mini 2. Now you have to do the steps using this video. As you can see, I have done all this and connected to my device. So after this, so I'm on my remote after I connect it to my device. After this, you have to go to. Okay, now I'm going to show you the on and off of the remote and drone. So first, we will take the remote. So we have to open this mobile holder like this, and you can see the connector which should be connected to the device. Then on of the remote is like this, and one more press. Done. You can see it's done. So keep it there. So on of the drone is also like that. So it's done. You can see it's moving. So now I'm going to show you the screen recording of the flying of the drone and remote. So first you have to connect the drone remote to the device, and then the drone will fly. You can see the device. In the device you can see the camera of the drone. So now you can see I have connected to my DJI Mini 2. So you can see click on go fly and you can see the camera. But there is a GPS signal is weak, so you can go to your terrace and you can just there they can get nice GPS signal, and you need compass calibration, which I'm going to show you after just 4 minutes. I'm going to show you when I reach the terrace. See, now I am at terrace, so we should do the compass calibration first. So now it's showing fly with caution, so there's a compass error. So I'm clicking on compass calibration and start. So now you can see rotate the aircraft 360 degree horizontally. So you have to rotate the aircraft 360 degree horizontally without touching the ground, but it should be like little near the ground, so it will be detected. So I'm just turning my aircraft 360 degree. So it should be clockwise. So I'm just turning it. So it takes some time for sensing. So now it's showing rotate aircraft 360 degree vertically. So all you have to do is to take your aircraft upside down and then you have to do 360 degree vertically. So then it be like calibration successful. So I am on my terrace. So you can see first you have to go to the control center. Now you can see safety and control. So you can see flight neutral. So click on flight neutral and pre-flight check. So
Perform a safety check before you fly.
And is a safety check. So after you're done with it, you have to just ensure the remote control and then done. Hardware status. This is the hardware status. And this is the flight info. This is the shooting mode. You can shoot video, quick shots and panorama modes also. Now it's a safety check. So this is a takeoff. It's normal. So the takeoff is permitted. So you need GPS signal and compass calibration. Now control stick.
Learn how to take off.
Now I'm taking it off. So I'm clicking on takeoff and it's taking off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Now I have to control
Control aircraft to descend.
So it's a descend and ascend.
Control aircraft to turn left.
So this is turning left.
Control aircraft to turn right.
This is turning right.
Control aircraft to move forward.
Fly forward.
Control aircraft to move backward.
And this is backward.
Control aircraft to move leftward.
This is translate left.
Control aircraft to move rightward.
And this is rightward. So it's done. Now it's return and landing.
Learn how to land.
So I have to click on this window and you can see this is smart home return and clicking on land.
Landing.
Now it's landing. So thank you guys for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel. Like this video and share this video.